What is capture ratio in investments? What should you consider as good capture ratio in investments? To help you get a better understanding on this, we have our investment expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, could you please help us get a better perspective on this?
Again, not many people use it, but it's an interesting one. So capture ratio is essentially what it says is that when the market goes up, how good has been my fund in trying to capture the upside in the market. And similarly, we have a down market capture where when the market comes down, how good is the fund in terms of protecting my downside. So it's an ideal world. What is the ideal world? That you take an elevator or an escalator to go up. So when the market is going up, you want your fund to deliver more than the market. But when the market is coming down, you want to come by staircase. You want to come slow, which means when the market is correcting and falling, we want our fund to not fall as much as the market. So it's an utopian world. But there are these ratios which tell us how is the fund performing in a up market, down market. So the up market capture ratio, the more the up market capture ratio, the better it is. So if market has delivered 10%, my fund has delivered 12%. So the ratio is 12 divided by 10 into 100. So 120% is my market capture ratio. Very good. On the downside, I want it to protect, right? So lower the better. All right. So this is the capture ratio. Again, not many people are aware of this. Not many people look into this. But this is again a good indicator to look at when you want to select funds, especially as an investor, if you're also worried that what will happen to the fund when the market corrects or falls. So it is good to look at the down market capture ratio also.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.